With U.S. District Court Judge Donald Malloy pressing to get Graham's murder trial completed this week, a jury was selected and ready to hear testimony by Monday afternoon. In opening statements, Assistant U.S. Attorney Chris McLean said Cody Johnson fell head over heels in love with Graham when they met in the fall of 2011, saying he was giddy on their wedding day last July. But just 8 days later, Johnson was dead, lying in a pool of water at the bottom of a cliff below the parking area at the Loop Trail. McLean says prosecutors will show the jury how Graham pushed Johnson to his death, falling face first over the cliff after Johnson shoved him in the back. The prosecution hopes to show Graham lied repeatedly to cover her crime. However, defense attorneys say they aren't disputing that Graham played a central role in her husband's death. They say the fall was an accident that happened during a very emotional argument on the edge of a cliff, a dangerous spot the size of a phone booth. Defense attorney Andy Hill says the grab, push, and fall was spontaneous, and then Graham ran from reality like a frightened rabbit or a mouse caught in a maze, telling lies and more lies because she was scared. And much of this trial will focus on Graham's mental state, depending on thousands of text messages before and after the wedding and Johnson's death. During initial testimony Monday afternoon, a friend of the couple, Kimberly Martinez, read text messages from Graham relating how the younger woman had a bit of a meltdown on their honeymoon, saying she didn't know if getting married was the right thing to do. She continued texting, saying she couldn't pull herself together, especially when Johnson wanted to do stuff, but when she wanted to say no, all the while afraid of Johnson's temper. Martinez took that to mean the couple was having problems with sex.
This trial is expected to continue on a very rapid pace after a full day Monday. It's back in court at 8:15 on Tuesday morning as this hearing continues. In downtown Missoula, Dennis Bragg, MTN News.